What's going on, YouTube? Happy New Year. It's your boy Wiz, right back again with another video. So as you know, it's a new year, it's 2020, and you know everybody has that new motivation, that newfound motivation, that drive to get in the gym. You know, weight loss and fat loss is a big thing this time of year. So in this video, I'm going to showcase the best type of cardio for fat loss. So as far as cardio is concerned, there are three main types of cardio, which is LISS, MISS, and HIIT. Now LISS is low intensity, steady state cardio. MISS is moderate intensity, steady state cardio. And of course, the most popular being HIIT is high intensity, steady state cardio. So in this video, I'm gonna be going over the best types of LISS, MISS, and HIIT that I feel is great for weight loss and fat loss. So let's go ahead and go into the gym and do some cardio. Let's go. What's going on, people, and welcome to the commentary portion of the video. So there's many different types of ways that you can do cardio. My number one favorite form of cardio has to be LISS on a treadmill. As I already stated earlier in the video, LISS is low impact steady state cardio. So the way I like to do it on a treadmill, as you see my incline going up on the treadmill right now, is that I like to walk on the treadmill at about a speed of 2.5 to 4 miles an hour. I like to lift up that incline to about a minimum of 10 all the way up to maybe 15 or 16. And I'm just walking here, you know, it's low impact. I'm not running around, jumping around, messing up my knees or anything like that. Now with LISS, you're always doing it for a minimum of at least 30 minutes, but you really want to aim for an hour because it's something that you can do for a long period of time because it is low impact. Now, if I'm not doing LISS on a treadmill, on an incline, I like to do it on a Stairmaster. Now, a Stairmaster can be a little bit more challenging than the treadmill, but you know, it's still low impact. It's still something that you can do for a longer period of time because it's low impact, and you really can burn a lot of calories doing this, promoting weight loss and definitely fat loss. Okay, now we're moving on to our more moderate intensity steady state cardio. Now I like to use machines that I don't have to worry about pushing any type of buttons. I can pretty much control the intensity of, you know, how I'm going based on the speed that I'm moving. So with this, I like to use a machine like, say, the elliptical, which I'm on right here, or the arc trainer, because I get to, you know, like I said, control the speed in which I'm going. I can keep the same pace, you know, the entire time. Another machine that's good for moderate intensity steady state cardio is going to be your row machine, because also, again, this is not a machine that you have to press any buttons. You can pretty much control your pace, and you can make sure that you stay at that more moderate pace. And MISS can also be done for, you know, anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes all the way up to an hour. Just make sure when you're doing MISS that you do the correct pace that's moderate for you, because it's a little bit more challenging than LISS, but it's not really that hard at all. Now, another form of moderate intensity cardio that people really don't sometimes realize actually is cardio is weightlifting. Now, if you're using the correct weight, you know, the intensity in which you lift your weights with can really be used as a form of cardio. Of course, you can't go super duper heavy. You don't want to go too light either, but right in that sweet spot, that mid spot, you know, that 10 to 12 reps, I would say 8 to 12 rep range, you're really getting, you know, a nice burn. You're definitely working up a good sweat as long as you're using the correct weight and you have good intensity behind your lifts and you're able to, you know, complete all reps and sets. That's really a form of cardio, and you're really getting that added resistance as well. So that's a great benefit if you're doing LISS and MISS and having intense weightlifting sessions. You're really going to find that your weight loss and fat loss will increase. Now on to our last form of cardio, which is going to be HIIT. Now with HIIT, I like to also use machines that I don't have to push any buttons. As you see, I'm on my favorite right here, which is going to be the manual treadmill. Now the way I like to do this is I like to walk for 40 seconds out of a minute, and then that last 20 seconds I like to run, as you see me running right now, and I return to a walk. Now if you do that for 10, 15, 20 minutes straight, that's a great HIIT session right there. Also too, with the elliptical, as you see, I was going at the, you know, moderate pace, then I speed things up. The same thing, the way I do the elliptical is I go at a moderate pace for about 4 minutes, and then on that 5th minute, I give it all I got before burnout, you know, this is how I really cut my weight down on a cut that I did before, because it's just very effective. You know, the elliptical is low impact as they come, even at a moderate intensity. And lastly, we have, again, the row machine, where, again, we don't have to push any buttons. We're going at the pace that we choose. Just like with the first two machines I showed you, you can speed up, slow down without the push of a button. And pretty much just go do your high intensity for however long you want, and then return back to that low intensity. Now, you can also do that technique on a treadmill or on a Stairmaster as well if you choose to. But for me, I just find it easier to speed up and slow down just pretty much at my own pace without the push of a button. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, if you found any type of value in this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified when I drop a new video. And also too, if you made it this far in the video, gotta throw in a shameless plug. As you see, I got this Redcon 1 hoodie on. If you've ever tried Redcon 1 supplements and you like them, or if you're in the market for some new type of supplements, fat burners, muscle building supplements, protein powders, BCAAs, pre-workouts, meal replacements, you name it, go ahead and click the link in this description to Redcon 1's website. Once you get on the website, anything you put in your cart, anything you decide to buy, use my discount code at checkout. That's going to be T20 Marbu W. You're going to save yourself 20% off your entire order. So go ahead and have at it. So I'm going to wrap it up here. Be sure to look out for my next video. And until we meet again, I'll catch you guys later on. Deuces, baby, and Happy New Year again.